we want a different footer style in different pages. So how can we do that? So if I go to the footer section, if I write something, it will just be displayed in every footer section of all the documents. In the second page I will write another footer. So how can we do that? So I will go here. Okay, at first just go to show or hide section. Okay, then go to the another page, then you need to go to the layout section, and you need to go to the break section, and you need to go to next page. So this just create the section break next page over here. So the two pages have been separated. Now you go to the place where you need to type another footer. So you just click to link to previous. So this have been linked to previous, and we need to click to unlink this. Now you see that in the first page there is one type of footer. Okay, in the second page there is another type of footer, but in the third page there is the footer that you have placed in the second page. So if you again want to change this footer, you have to repeat the same process over here. So you go to the layout section, you just go to the break, and you just put next page. So then you need to go to the place where you need to change your footer. Then you have to click on link to previous. So this will just unlink the connection between the two pages, right? So in the first page there is a different footer, in the second page there is a different footer, in the third page there is again a different footer. So like, share and subscribe, please.